So determining binding precedent in the federal system is just like in the state system. So for jurisdiction, we need a map. We need to know, what jurisdiction we're in. For court hierarchy, we also need a map to know what court system we're in. And then for publication status, you just look at the top of the opinion. But for all three, you can just use the filters. So in Lexis, if we were to run our search here, the occupational qualification, that's a legal term of art, waitress and woman. We're in the fourth step of the research process, so we're going to filter this to just cases. Just as we did for states, we're going to use the filters to find things that are binding in our jurisdiction and that are from an appellate court and that have the right publication status. So I'm going to start with publication status just to show you what one looks like. On the filter here, I just clicked on unreported, and I just randomly will choose one here. Just so you know, at the top of the caption, the top of the case, it will tell you if it's unreported or not. And you see right here how the citation looks funky here. It's not a citation to a reporter. That's one way to tell that you're looking at something that isn't published. The other way is oftentimes they'll put in all caps right here that the case is not published. So anyway, we want published cases, so we will choose reported cases. All right, so reported. Now we're set in Oregon, so if we look at our map, Oregon is in the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. So then we will search for the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. So that's, in terms of court hierarchy, that will give us published cases from the Ninth Circuit. And of course the jurisdiction here, it's the federal jurisdiction, and we're in Oregon. So we have all of our bases covered. So it looks like we have 4 cases in the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals that address our issue. Now, of course, we could also look at the U.S. Supreme Court cases. But that's how you do it. Again, just use the filters, just like you learned for state courts. Okay, see you back in the book.